Have you ever paused to imagine what it would look like cooking and selling street food at night in the busiest city in West Africa? In today's video, I'll be taking you guys with me to Lagos, Nigeria, and we are going to spend the evening and the night with these very industrious Nigerian guys cooking and selling street food. We just want to know what it will look like doing this kind of a business in the busiest city in West Africa at night. My name is Danicakosytv and you're welcome back to the channel.
This is almost all my family eat. They cook very well. Delicious. I have another branch in Oluti. They have another branch at Akure. If I don't buy here, I buy at Akure. If I don't buy, I buy at Oluti. They cook very well. They are number one in Satellite.
So you guys, I'm going to go down to Lagos just to show you guys this my people. Okay, I am here in Lagos, live and direct here in Lagos to show you guys these boys that I so much talked about in my previous video that I filmed in Ondo State. In the previous video I made, a lot of you were like, Danica, do they have a branch here in Lagos? Where are they in Lagos? Is there anything like this going on in Lagos? Tell us or give us their address. Today, I want to bring their address to you. I told you guys that I was going to come to Lagos to find these hardworking Nigerian boys. Guess what? I made it to Lagos all because of you guys. Oh yeah, start subscribing. Start subscribing. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Tell me why you will not like this video and why you will not subscribe to the channel. Your girl is live and direct here in Lagos just to see this particular branch of Family Gourmet Restaurant. I think previously they used to answer Family Best, but now it is called Family Gourmet Restaurant. Okay, we are here in one of their branches here in Abuledo. Okay, is it Abuledo? We are here at one of their branches here in Abuledo just to kind of see what is going on here and how they run their business. You know that when I was interviewing him, he told me that he has a branch here in Lagos. See, I said I have to come here and see for myself to be sure that he is telling me the truth. So right now we are here in Lagos and we are here at one of their branches. Who want to see what they are doing here, to see how they are running their businesses and probably interview some of their customers. And guess what? I'll try as much as possible to visit all his branches here in Lagos, at least for your sake. For the sake of you, for the sake of the person watching this video, I mean for the sake of you. Oh, English will not finish me. English no go kill me. I want to introduce you guys to the person running this particular branch here in Lagos State, okay? So just come with me, let me show you, let me take you guys to him. Let us go and meet them and see what they are doing right here, okay? Well done, good evening. Where is what's his name? The other guy that we came with that time. You remember him?
It is currently 5 or 5:30 p.m. and this is the time they start setting off for the day, and of course your girl was already here before then. Just like other small food businesses that are filmed with on this channel, they do their market runs in the morning hours between 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. By 12 p.m. they start cooking the main dishes and getting ready for the day generally, and at around 5 to 5:30 p.m. they open their business for the day.
So by what time do you open and by what time do you close?
Well, we don't have the actual time for opening, but let me not exaggerate. We open most time. We open around 5:30, 5 o'clock, 5:30, especially. Yes, or let me say 6 p.m. That's the actual time you see us. Make sure that we are outside. So, but if you go to Island, the other branch at Akure, we open around 4:30. We are set to sell. And we close around. We always close. Depends on when our food finish. So sometimes when this place was very hot, I close in the morning around 6, 5. But now that things have changed, somehow I'm closing around at 3, sometimes 4, sometimes even 2 o'clock in the night. That's when I close.
I noticed that similar to other small food businesses that are filmed with on this channel, they also wait till they come out here before they start frying their plantains, potatoes, chips and so on. And they all seem to have the same reason for doing this, which is the fact that they do not want it to get cold, before customers could buy them. But the whole prepping, cutting the plantain and every other thing is usually done before they come out here, to start selling for the day. Before they were even done with the whole setting up, their customers were already coming, little by little to buy from them. And one thing I really loved about these particular food vendors is the way they interact with their customers. Like, they interact like though they have known each other for a very long time. And that actually made me wonder, and I decided to interact with few of their customers, to find out what they actually think about these particular guys.
Okay, my name is Uju.
All right. Okay. That's a wonderful name, and you're so beautiful. So, are you the customer of Family Government restaurant?
Yes, I am.
All right. So, okay, you come here to buy food from them.
Yes, I bought their fried yam last time, so it was very nice, spicy, and very tasty.
Wow. That's a positive review. Wow. So, would you recommend this place to anyone? Like, based on?
Yes, I will. Based on what I saw last time, and the food, they are all neat. It's fine.
So what do you think about them, considering the fact that there are guys doing this kind of business? Most times here in Nigeria we feel like this kind of business should be done by women. So what do you think about them?
Well, I feel it's nice. I was amazed when I saw them, and to the look of it, thing, like the guys are so romantic, cooking in the kitchen.
Okay.
Me, let me just use, okay.
Oh, you want to marry a romantic man that will be cooking for you at home?
Yes, definitely. So it's very nice seeing a guy cooking, and the food is tasty and delicious. So it's very nice when I saw it.
All right. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, bye.
From what I was told, they have 4 different branches in different locations here in Lagos, Nigeria. I was also able to talk with the person in charge of managing their businesses here in Lagos, because they have another one in Ekiti State. Actually, there are 2 brothers running this business. They started a branch in Ekiti State in December 2022. One of them moved down to Ekiti State to manage the one in Ekiti, while the other one stays back here in Lagos to manage the 4 branches here in Lagos. I'll also try as much as possible to visit the one in Ekiti State anytime I visit Ekiti State.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma.
All right, my name is Danica. What is your own name?
My name is Salvation Apan.
Okay. Are you the one managing this place?
Yes, I'm the one.
What about the other 3 branches? I heard you people have 3 branches here in Lagos. What about the other 3? Are you the same person managing it?
Yes, actually, I moved around to check everything that is going on each of the 4 branches we are having in Lagos.
Okay,
I'm
4.
the GM. Yes, that was 2017 in Festa Town. That is where we started. Yes, and the place we started selling our markets. There was the Evans Hotel at First Avenue. I can still remember, yes. So that is where we started before we now migrated to many other places. When we discovered that our branch, where we are using for the business as Festac was not moving fine. The business there was somehow. We decided to open another branch at Oluti, that is Otoja Road, opposite Premier Hotel. So then God has been faithful to us since. So the business has been moving fine. Before we now move to Ikeja, behind Ambiance Hotel, we had a branch there before. And if you go to Computer Village, then we had another branch that we are selling like this before. Okay. So we have traveled to many places. We went to Abuja for the business too. Now we have another branch at Abulado. If you go to Across, that is the other side, close to Omolile and what is it called? Osoja. We are selling behind or the front of gate of building material. So this is another place, as you can see.
Another thing I also noticed is that their fried egg is on demand. You have to place an order before they start frying the eggs. When you started doing this stuff they usually do, I was actually scared the egg might just fall or something else might happen. But then nothing happened. As a matter of fact, his customers were very confident that nothing would go wrong.
Should not be your egg in the throw up like that. It didn't fall for your hand there.
We have gone viral already. People have come to notice that we are trying our best in the society. So information is passing on to people day by day, every day. People that have been patronizing us since have been passing information to some people that are not even known to us. So people that are not aware that things like this are going on in society, they are being told by people that already know. So sometimes they will come here very simple because of the information that I've been receiving day by day.
What do you call this place? What is this place called?
This is number 23 Community Road. This is Satellite Town.
Okay, Satellite Town.
Yes.
Wow,
the opposite to Biago. If you want to describe to somebody that is not close to this side or does not know the area, if you just saw the person Obiago, yes, although they have changed the name, but the name Obiago they have been using before is still the name people know is known this place for.
All right.
So that is how people locate us.
One big difference between these guys and the other guys that I have filmed with previously on this channel is that they employ ladies, unlike other male food vendors or caterers that I have filmed with previously on this channel. But according to them, I think the girls only come in when it is time to start selling. The cooking is mostly done by the guys. I also have to point out that even though they were working with girls, it was like a ratio of 80 to 20. 80% men, 20% female.
So what are your challenges Challenges that you face here in the business?
There are so many challenges we have been facing since because of how Nigeria is. I'll put it that way. Everybody that is in Nigeria, we know how the economy and everything are going on. The number one challenge we face that will remain very shocking to me, that I did not even expect that kind of thing to happen, is the one that happened in 2019-2020. That was coronavirus. Made us to lose many of the places we had for the business. Even the places we plan to open, the new places we plan to open. I can remember when I was in Ikeja, I was selling at only 2 places, 2 shops. But I made a plan on ground to open another branch that was along Owolowo Road, Obafemi Owolowo Road, before that junction, Allen Junction. So everything was on ground to open the business, and at the same time I was making plans to open another one at Akure. But to my great surprise, I could not meet up with my plans because of the corona. Before I knew, they announced that there is corona on ground, that nobody is allowed to move anyhow again. That was February, March. So we had to close down the business. Even the places we were managing before, we were selling before, we closed down these places, and then we travel. It's a great challenge, and coming back, many of my workers have to travel home, and calling them to come back was not something simple. It was very difficult. But by God's grace, after the pandemic, we had to resume again, and here we are today.
At around 8 p.m, more and more customers started coming. I also noticed that they were buying more of the jollof rice and the chips, with fried eggs and all. So as they were having more customers, I decided to have a chat with some of their old customers, people who have been patronizing them for a very long time.
My name is Danica. May I know your name?
My name is Vivian.
Are you the customer of your family?
Big customer, very big customer. This is where almost all my family eat. Every day I buy things. This is one of the best in Satellite as a whole.
Wow.
They cook very well, delicious. Wow. I start following them from Oluti to here. They cook very well. Yes, they cook very well.
The other branch?
They have another branch in Oluti. They have another branch at Akure. If I don't buy here, I buy at Akure. If I don't buy, I buy at Oluti. They cook very well. They are number 1 in Satellite for now.
Wow, that's very good. So what do you think about them?
What am I advising him to hold the same hand he's holding? He's not a Anything he cooks here, he doesn't use all this red maggi, all this don't make. His food is very, very delicious, in short.
And you know they poach.
No, God forbid, no way, no way, no way. Both my mother, both my grandmother. At times, my mother will ask me about him, because my mother stays in US. He said, what about our customer that says all these chips? And I said, He said he used to remember him every time in America. Yeah, he cooks very well. He's very nice. He's number one. His A is A, his B is his B. He's a very nice guy anyway. Short, just pop my plate. He's a very nice guy.
Oh, thank you.
He's pure, yeah, he's very pure and short. He's not, I don't know how to explain. He's kind, nice, everything short.
Wow.
Yes, I gave him money, more than what I expect. I add more than 1.5 on top. He said, Mama, your money passed, so, but for some people they will not.
Yeah.
Since that time, me and my mother we love him short, not like. He's nice.
So
yes, yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am. All right. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Just okay, we come to
After spending a reasonable amount of time in this particular branch, we decided to go ahead and visit other branches here in Lagos. Because of time and other factors like traffic, of course you guys know how busy Lagos is, we were not able to visit a lot of branches. In fact, we were not able to visit all the branches here in Lagos. We were only able to visit, I think, one. So this is us on our way to the second branch here in Lagos, Nigeria. So we are finally here at the second branch here in Lagos, Nigeria, and the first thing I noticed was that their setup, their uniform and everything was just so similar to the other branch. And unlike the other branch, they were staying very close to the road. And then if you look very well, you can see that their sales, were beginning to slow down, because at this point it was already very late at night. And people are no longer as much as they were when we got here, because everyone is already going home. I am sorry I was not able to show you guys that, because I actually lost a lot of clips after filming this video.
So this is your second branch?
Yeah, exactly.
You are really doing great for yourself. And how many staffs do you have working here? Or rather in each of the branches?
There are 5 in number here, and the other side is same. Going to the other side, five staff each of the branches.
Okay, that's like 15 in total.
Yes.
Wow. Or rather 20 in total.
It's not 15, yes, in the one in Ireland, if you add that one.
That's so great. So what do you cook? What do you cook?
We have a lot of food, as you can see, from the first place we went to down here. What we are doing is the same. So I would like to mention some of the food we are selling here, because there are some things that are not visible that people will easily see from the show glass. Yes. So we have chips. These potato chips. We have plantain, fried plantain. We have pomo. We have chicken. We have turkey. And we have fish, fried fish. Then we still have salad. Yes. Yeah, we have fried rice. We have jollof rice. Then for the swallow, we are doing it as a special order. If somebody give us a kind of order to prepare for his personal use, only him or her, and we now prepare it and then take it to the person. So that is it's not that we are not making swallow, we are making swallow, but not outside. You make it as a special order. Or if you want to do a kind of birthday or child dedication, or you want to do something like you want to do naming ceremony or wedding, sometimes burial ceremony, we do prepare food for people like that.
I really love the fact that these guys are not just hustling to make money, but also creating job opportunities for others. You can imagine employing up to 20 people to work for you. Like, that's a lot. And I really commend that.
Thank you. Because of time, I need to start going home. It's already late. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time.
Alright, that will be all for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed this particular video. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up, share this video and leave a nice comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do that. This is your girl on her way home already. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.